Listen carefully. Christianity is all about the heart. One of the greatest saints of all time, and possibly the most intelligent, a doctor of the church, which means we have to take what he says super seriously, St. Augustine. He says the entire task of our lives consists in healing the eyes of our heart so that we can see God.
As I begin my time in the diocese, I invite you who are of the diocese, indeed you who are not of the diocese, to begin afresh with me, praying for those very things, for all of us in our whole diocese, for the healing that we need, and for the renewal of our hearts, that we would be who we are called to be, which is disciples and apostles to other people.
So I want to ask you, are you praying? Are you in touch with the voice of God? Are you in tune and communicating with God himself?
I feel in my spirit that some of you are going to rip up the script for the kingdom, and God's going to use you so mightily that the enemy is using absolutely everything in his power to stop that from happening. I really feel that in my soul.